I just wish her that she wins in life. Ang message ko na lang siguro sa kanya is gano'n. Nainis ako na parang naaawa sa kanya. Hi guys! And welcome back to our channel. My name is Janine.
I'm Niley.
For today's vlog ay papanoorin natin ang Beauty with a Purpose video and presentation ng isa sa mga delegates for the upcoming Miss World Philippines 2024. It is going to be Jane Henobisa from Davao del Sur.
Davao. Oh, may question ka.
Yung question ko kasi related naman, medyo related feeling ko dun sa kanyang advocacy. So,
okay.
Have you ever experienced being no one, or have you ever experienced na parang na-feel mo na parang no one ka or feeling empty before, wala kang matatakbuhan para mahinga ng tulong, ganyan?
I feel like it's normal for everyone to feel that sometimes na parang...
Hindi ko tinatanong kung normal sa everyone. Ang tinatanong ko kung na-experience mo na ba? Or
oo nga. Yung sagot ko, yes.
Yan lang. So without any further ado, let's watch this.
Purposeful afternoon, everyone.
Huh? Ganda niya dyan.
I'm here
Good afternoon.
as a living testament of the transformative power of compassion and action. The journey behind my advocacy is a young girl who turned adversities into opportunity, sacrificing her own education to help her family in need. Working in Prayahan, a seed of compassion grew within me. Through volunteering, I founded a non-profit organization that seeks for education who brings hope to the children. And in partnership with the OKL library system, we built libraries far and wide, reaching out to children all over the world. And today, I am here not just for myself, but for every children who has faced adversities. And this is my BWAP advocacy.
As an orphan from a very young age, I have felt the profound loneliness and longing that many children experience. This personal journey ignited my passion
ko siya, akala ko Davao yung
joy
no?
and support to our
Hindi ba Davao
children.
yan?
Nasasad ako kasi.
In 2023, I was blessed to partner with the OKL library system, a non-profit that travels the world providing English language books to
nakakasad
children.
lang kasi, di ba, ang laki, ang lawak ng Davao or Davao del Sur na, di ba, like, hindi ko
hindi, kasi in comparison to other candidates, kung saan talaga sila nakatira doon yung
kasi siguro hindi na siya nakatira dito, doon na siya sa Manila, doon na talaga siya lumaki and all. Pero,
we don't know the reason.
we feel you, like, you know, mahirap talaga.
As the ambassadors in the Philippines, I have journeyed far and wide to spread our message of hope and education. One of my most unforgettable experiences was in Tondo, Manila, where I shared a day of joy and learning with the children. These children are the heart and soul of our nation. They deserve to be cherished and nurtured. Hearing their stories touched me deeply. Many long for education but lack that means. Some have been abandoned, while others just yearn for simple joys. Bringing smiles to their faces was profoundly moving for me. These experiences fuel my passion as I continue my journey in Miss World Philippines, carrying the joy and smiles of the children with me. This is only the beginning. I dream of making this initiative larger and more impactful. To all the children out there, never lose hope. Keep dreaming. Keep believing. One day, you will become who you aspire to be. And I am with you.
Like, nakakasad. Like, ang message ko na lang siguro sa kanya is gano'n. Di ba kasi, to be honest, parang, ang dami talagang malalakas na Beauty with a Purpose na advocacy na project. Parang nalulungkot lang ako kasi yung clips niya, yung isang ano lang yung ginawa. And then in-enter lang yung clips from the press presentation ba yun. Doon mo talaga mafe-feel na yung nainis ako na parang naaawa sa kanya. Hindi mo na kailangan, dapat Manila na lang dinala mo. Parang, di ba? Parang hindi mo na kailangan dalhin yung pangalan ng Davao del Sur kung walang support or wala. Ang hirap. Pero sa totoo lang, parang...
Anong meron ka sa Davao? Sorry.
Hindi kasi ang hirap na I feel you talaga, like, ganun-ganun lang ang message ko sa'yo. Kasi alam mo talaga yung salat sa suporta. Ang daming pwede sa Davao. Ang laki ng Davao, di ba? Para gawa ng kwento man lang, i-glamorize man lang, para ma-hype man lang siya, di ba?
Support talaga yung ano niya, number one. Kung wala, i-connect to a better, like, charitable na mga advocacy sources. Ang dami sa Davao kasi actually, di ba?
Pero we still support you and kudos dun sa kagustuhan mo pa rin na i-pursue yung iyong career sa pageantry. Itong journey na to, hindi ka sumusuko. We adore you. Sobrang ina-admire namin yun.
Sa akin naman, I just wish her that she wins in life. Whenever that point in time na ma-achieve niya yun, mas magiging impactful yung mga niya, yung efforts niya, yung mga kasi she has a good heart na.
Nandun na talaga yun eh. Pero minsan sa buhay talaga, kahit na, di ba tayo, kahit na gustong-gusto natin gumawa ng malaking change or impactful na mga actions, pero sa sarili natin, kailangan natin unahin yung sarili natin, yung personal needs natin eh, di ba? Ang hirap like, ganun.
Yung tipong, di ba, you wanted to like give food kung yung sa sarili mo mismo isalat ka sa pagkain, di ba? It's so hard.
May mga moment na ganun, kunyari naglalakad ka sa sidewalk and then may nakita kang namamalimos pero hindi mo pwedeng ibigay kasi pamasahe ko pa. Parang gano'n. Diba?
Pero yun nga, the simple acts of kindness is valid din na whenever you can, malaking bagay na yung magagawa ng mga simple acts of kindness.
So, kindness and compassion. So, God bless and best of luck sa iyong journey, Jane. So, thank you so much at sinamahan niyo naman kami sa nagdaang video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If bago kayo sa ating channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga next uploads.
And guys, thank you so much for watching our videos. We have a lot of videos done and we have a lot of videos coming. So, keep watching us in the next video. Bye!